Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video I'm going to call What I Eat to Stay in Shape All Year Long. This is going to be a What I Eat in a Day video, and right now it's just about 1 o'clock. So I'm going to be having my first meal, which is a pineapple. And today my workout was a 3-mile run. Yesterday I did strength training, today I did a run. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this pineapple. And looks like a pretty good one. And I have a little funny story real quick while I cut this pineapple about pineapples, because I was just over in Maui for spring break. So I took a little trip to Maui. Hadn't been to Maui in probably about 10 years. Went to Kauai a couple times in the last couple of years, few years, but hadn't been to Maui in a long time. So we had a great time over in Maui. And one of the things I love about Hawaii is the local fruits. We always get pineapple, papaya, mangoes, and apple bananas. Those are all my 4 favorite local fruits that I get in Hawaii. So we're getting lots of pineapples over there. And then when I came home, I was like thinking, oh man, I'm gonna miss those pineapples, because we generally don't get a ton of pineapples. Sometimes we do, but it's kind of hit and miss. But the funny thing is, we got home from the trip and I went to the grocery store the day after we got home to load up on some groceries. And when I went into the grocery store, the first thing I saw was this huge pile of tropical gold pineapples they just got in stock, which was really funny and ironic because I had just been eating all those pineapples and I was thinking I wasn't going to be eating them for a while. So that was a really nice surprise, coming home to see there's a bunch of high quality pineapples right in my grocery store. I was not expecting that. And this looks like a good one. Oh wow. This one's really good. This is just as good as the ones I was getting in Hawaii. So they must have just picked these and shipped them right here. But these aren't, I don't think these are from Hawaii. These are the Dole Tropical Golds. Oh, product of Ecuador. So these are from Ecuador. These are really good. If you ever see some Dole Tropical Golds, I'd recommend them. So anyways, I'm gonna eat this pineapple, the whole thing, as my first meal of the day. And then I'm gonna be back probably in a couple hours to have my second meal of the day. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, now it's about 2 o'clock and I got hungry a little quicker than I thought I would. So I'm gonna put together a smoothie. And let me show you what I'm doing here. I got 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I'm gonna do 2 bananas. And I'm going to be using a couple of green powders, which I hadn't used in a few years, and I just recently got them again. Don't ask me why. I don't have any kind of a reason other than I just wanted to try them out. I don't know why. So I got a couple of frozen blueberries, I got 2 ripe bananas, and then I got, and I don't sell anything, by the way. This is just what I'm using here. Marcus Roscran's green formula. So this here, the great thing about this green powder is that it's just a whole bunch of greens and herbs and fruits that are just dried up. So it's like a whole food just put into powder form. So I'm gonna use a couple tablespoons of this. And then I'm gonna also throw in, Marcus Roscran's has a vitamin C formula. And this is the same thing, well not the same thing, but it's similar as in, it's just a bunch of whole plant foods that were put into powder. So what he did is he took the most powerful foods with the most powerful vitamin C concentration and he put them into a blend here. So it's just things like sea buckthorn, rosehip, guava, some different things that are very high in vitamin C. So it's a very potent, it's very high in vitamin C, very healthy, but in real vitamin C, not the kind made in a lab. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of this, which they say is like a serving. And then I'm gonna throw in some coconut water. How much coconut water? I don't know, maybe 2 cups or something? Yeah, that feels like about half. So it's about 2 cups of coconut water. I'm gonna blend that up. I'm gonna have that. Now, after I have the smoothie, just a few minutes after I have the smoothie, I also have some raw almonds that I had soaked. So it's about a serving of raw almonds. So I'm not gonna combine this with the smoothie this time. I'm just gonna have the almonds separate. So I'm gonna have this, blend up the smoothie, have this, and then I'll be having almonds, and then I'll be back with what I'll be having next today. And there's the smoothie, by the way. I made exactly 1 liter, so I'm gonna enjoy that. Then at 6 p.m. I had a bowl of pasta with marinara sauce, and I had a salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, and apple, and I had cashews with that as well. And then I had headed out to a movie, so I had some popcorn and dark chocolate for dessert. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.